Hello, my name is Pete Dryden, and I'm going to show you how to make potato chips. Things you will need: potatoes, salt, cooking spray, a baking sheet, a knife, a cutting board, and an oven. The first thing to do is preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Spray a baking sheet with cooking spray. Next, wash the potatoes thoroughly with warm water, making sure to remove all excess dirt and smudges. Then place the potatoes on a cutting board. Now take a knife and slice the potatoes into very thin, round slices. Spread the potato slices on the baking sheet evenly. Now sprinkle the salt evenly on the slices, along with any other seasonings you prefer. Place the potato slices in the oven and bake for 10 minutes on each side. For extra crispiness, bake for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. And that is how you make potato chips.